Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to enable and disable the blue light filter, also known as night shift, on iPhone 16 Pro and Pro Max. So first of all, you want to go to the settings, then you want to scroll down and go to display and brightness, and then over here you should be able to find night shift. If you go into that option, you will find scheduled manual enable until tomorrow, and you can also adjust the color temperature. So if you want to enable the blue light filter right now, then you can use manually enable until tomorrow. Of course, like I said, you can also adjust the temperature of the color. And if you want to have it automatic so that it enables and disables at a certain time, then you want to of course schedule it, and then you can choose from and to when it should be turned on and when it should be turned off. You can also not use the custom schedule, and you can use the sunset to sunrise option, which is based on your location. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!